To create our snowstorm image, the next step is to take a new document and then save it with a sensible name. I'm going to call mine GK Storm. As usual, I'll set up a start shape and the first rule, which has the same name as my start shape. I'm wanting to access the snowflakes I made earlier. I've saved the snowflakes in the same folder as my storm folder, and then I can simply import the flake one, and then inside my storm rule, I can just call that shape as usual. And there it is. Even though I've called my file gkflake_1, the actual shape was called gkflake, and that's the code that I need to use to get that snowflake to display. Please pause this video and try and import the other snowflakes that you've made. As you can see, I've imported all 3 snowflakes. I've placed 2 of them, and what I can do is when I place them, I do need to move things around, and an X of 200 gives us a reasonable spacing. Rotating snowflakes by 30 can also be really effective. As you can see, I now have 3 snowflakes. It's a great idea to play with the rotation and also the size. What you'll want to do is place several snowflakes onto your image, change the colored background, and even change the colors of the snowflakes themselves. And as you can see, I have repeated my original snowflake and I changed it to blue. What I should do is change the size and move it a bit further away from the one that's identical. As you might imagine, quite a little bit of playing and moving things is required to get this to look really good. If you can't remember which snowflake is which, you can always label them by using the double backslash as a comment. Only instead of saying this is a comment, what you might want to say is small black original, which happens to be on the bottom left. When you're happy with your final scene, which will hopefully include a colored background, remember to save and export as a PNG.